the truth or a lie?
It's the truth. I will give him the keys to it.
90% the truth or 100%?
Yes. And I told him where he was. His car. And I said, I told him to run.
You're not a shady character at all. You failed the lie detector last time. And watching the language. Last time you were really angry because this was and you don't have any reason to believe it is not it. Take me back to here so you know the truth.
What it was, Carl went to jail. I just got in with Carl in the June. Carl went to jail.
That's his brother?
Yeah.
The one that you split out because of all of this? Why is he defending him?
Because Carl's living in Clifton at the minute. Mark's got a flat in Clifton as well.
Nice.
Carl's with no name.